Hi everybody, welcome to the astrology post for July 30th, 2022. So today we have a kind of intense day. We have the moon in Leo right now, which will be about our fun and our creativity, that we want to shine energy that we got with this new moon. And then at 2:11, the moon is going to move into Virgo. Now there is an opposition between Mercury and Saturn today. So this is the type of energy that's going to make you like super aware of what needs to be changed. It can cause delays. There can be communication issues. So the key word today is flexibility, right? Let yourself be flexible in what you can do. Let yourself be flexible in what you're aware of. Let yourself use that Mercury square Saturn energy to see what needs to be adjusted in the coming weeks, and it will flow well. Now, we do have Chiron activated today once the moon moves into Virgo. So we're going to have this awareness of what needs to be healed, what needs to be fixed. Don't let that Virgo energy drive you out the wall. Remember, it's to highlight, not to judge. I love you guys so much. See you tomorrow.